In the quest for a leaner, stronger physique, protein powders have become a staple in the fitness world. These convenient supplements offer a quick and efficient way to boost protein intake, fuel muscle growth, and support recovery. However, with a plethora of options available on the market, choosing the right protein powder can be overwhelming. Fear not. In this video, we'll explore the top protein powders that are scientifically proven to help increase lean muscle mass, empowering you to make informed decisions on your journey to a fitter, more muscular physique. 1. Whey protein. Whey protein stands as the undisputed king of protein powders when it comes to building lean muscle. Derived from milk during the cheese-making process, whey protein is rich in essential amino acids, particularly leucine, which plays a pivotal role in stimulating muscle protein synthesis. Its rapid digestion and absorption make it an ideal choice for post-workout recovery, ensuring that your muscles receive the nutrients they need to grow and repair. 2. Casein protein. While whey protein reigns supreme post-workout, casein protein shines in its ability to provide a sustained release of amino acids over several hours. This slow-digesting protein is ideal for consumption before bedtime, as it helps prevent muscle breakdown during the overnight fasting period. By providing a steady stream of amino acids to your muscles, casein protein supports muscle repair and growth, ultimately contributing to greater gains in lean muscle mass. 3. Plant-based protein. For those following a vegetarian or vegan diet, plant-based protein powders offer a viable alternative to animal-derived options. Popular plant-based sources include pea protein, rice protein, hemp protein, and soy protein. While plant-based proteins may not boast the same complete amino acid profile as whey protein, they can still be effective in promoting muscle growth when consumed in adequate amounts and combined strategically to ensure all essential amino acids are present. 4. Egg white protein. Egg white protein powder provides a high-quality protein source derived from egg whites, making it an excellent option for individuals with dairy or lactose intolerances. Rich in essential amino acids, egg white protein offers a complete protein profile to support muscle growth and repair. Additionally, egg white protein is low in fat and carbohydrates, making it a suitable choice for those looking to increase protein intake without excess calories. 5. Blended protein powders. For optimal muscle-building benefits, consider opting for blended protein powders that combine multiple protein sources. These blends often include a mix of fast-digesting proteins like whey protein isolate or hydrolysate, along with slower-digesting proteins like casein or egg white protein. By providing both immediate and sustained protein delivery, blended protein powders offer a comprehensive solution to fuel muscle growth and recovery throughout the day. In conclusion, when it comes to building lean muscle mass, protein powders are a valuable tool in your arsenal. Whether you prefer whey protein for its rapid absorption, casein protein for its sustained release, plant-based protein for its versatility, egg white protein for its completeness, or blended protein powders for their comprehensive approach, there's a protein powder to suit every preference and dietary need. By incorporating the best protein powders into your nutrition plan and pairing them with a well-rounded exercise regimen, you can maximize muscle growth, enhance recovery, and achieve your fitness goals with confidence.